Hey Bob, have you read any good books lately?
Hey Alice, yeah, I just finished reading The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. It was amazing.
Oh, I love that book. The adventure and the characters are so captivating. What did you like the most about it?
I really enjoyed the way Tolkien described the journey and the different places they visited. It felt like I was traveling with Bilbo and the dwarves.
That's true. Tolkien's world building is incredible. Have you read the Lord of the Rings trilogy? It's even more epic.
Not yet, but it's definitely on my list. I heard it's a bit more complex than The Hobbit. Is it worth the read?
Absolutely. It's a bit more challenging, but the story is so rich and detailed. Plus, the characters develop so much throughout the trilogy. You'll love it.
Sounds exciting. By the way, have you read anything interesting recently?
Yeah, I just finished To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's such a powerful book with a strong message about justice and empathy.
I've heard a lot about that book. What's it about?
It's about a young girl named Scout, growing up in the racially segregated South during the 1930s. Her father, Atticus Finch, is a lawyer who defends a black man falsely accused of raping a white woman. The story explores themes of racial injustice, moral growth, and compassion.
That sounds really impactful. I think I should add it to my reading list. It's always good to read books that make you think about important issues.
Definitely. It really opens your eyes to different perspectives and makes you more empathetic. Do you have any other books in mind to read next?
I was thinking about starting 1984 by George Orwell. I've heard it's a classic and has a lot of political and social commentary.
That's a great choice. It's a bit dark, but it's very thought-provoking. Orwell's vision of a dystopian future is quite chilling.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for the recommendation, Alice.
Anytime, Bob. Happy reading.